Aadi, I think we can do many activities using while loop, like getting natural numbers, even numbers.
You said it. Since computers help us count, they can generate any type of series.
Yep, they should.
Let's try. Our teacher will help us if we get stuck.
Okay, but which series?
First 10 natural numbers?
That's 1, 2, 3. Yes, I'll try this.
You need a counter variable?
I'll use I and start with 1.
The loop must run till I is less than or equal to 10, right?
So we do, while I less than equals to 10.
Don't forget the colon.
And indent the loop code. Our teacher insisted on that.
Inside the loop, print I.
That's it?
Let's print by after the loop.
Why?
So, the loop knows it's bedtime.
Wait, I'm running the code. This doesn't look right.
It's not stopping.
Oh no! The screen is possessed.
What's going on in here?
Teacher, our code is on a never-ending ride.
Relax. It's not a ghost, just a missing step. Let's look. I equal to 1 counter is initialized to 1. Okay. While I less than equal to 10. Want to be in a loop till I is less or equal to 10. Print I to print the value of I. After this line, counter, i.e., I has to be incremented by 1. You missed this step. Counter always remains 1. Never reached to 10, and your code was running in a loop. Let's modify the code. Add this. I plus equal to 1.
Yay, we did it!
What's I plus equals to 1?
Good one! In Python, we have some assignment operators, which assigns new value to the operand that is variable. Meaning of I plus equal to 1 is add 1 to previous value of I and update it with new value. You can write it as I equal to I plus 1. Here the list of assignment operators. There are more like it. Plus equals, minus equals, multiply equals, divide equals, floor divide equals, modulus equals, power equals.
Got it. I'll try even and odd number series next.
That's the spirit. We will work more on this in next lecture.
Shh! It's me, Gogu. You didn't see me in class because I was hiding in the teacher's coffee cup. Don't tell anyone. Today we learned, always tell your loop variable to grow up, or else it never leaves the loop party. I plus equals to 1 is like saying, hey I, level up. Computers can count anything, as long as we give them proper instructions. And remember kids, if your loop doesn't stop, don't scream. Just call your teacher, or me. I charge in bananas. See you next time in Loop Doom, Part 2, Even Odd Adventures.
Get ready for some fun? Watch the latest Aadi and Gogu episode, answer the questions, and you could win an awesome gift hamper. It's super easy. Just watch, think, and compete. So, grab your thinking caps and get ready to play. Stay tuned for the quiz and the chance to win big.